Actually, I have a very bad throat, so you will have to excuse me for my voice. Change is constant, and it cannot be more true for technology, because you must have heard all our technology partners right now talking about what are the innovations that is coming up in the field of technology. While all the financial inclusion had started way back in 2010, at least for all the banks, it had come to the sort of the grand finale had been now, where now we have accounts, all the households have been covered in where the population is about 2,000. Everybody has been covered under financial inclusion. Now, when it comes to technology, all these financial inclusion customers which are covered earlier, initially it was thought about that they will all be doing an offline transaction, but it turned out that all the handheld devices which has been provided, very soon we brought everybody into the fold today. So any technology that is put in place can be utilized by all the customers, irrespective of whether it is metro or urban or rural customers. But the primary issue is the literacy. Not only the financial literacy, I think there is a lot of skill development, and if they have to start earning, opening an account is only the beginning of it. So if you have to go ahead, there needs to be a lot of skill development, literacy, all has to be put in place so that they all can be brought at par with the metro or the urban customers. Now, coming to the part of the micro ATMs or the handheld device. Earlier it used to be purely biometric, but now as per the new ministry guidelines, we have to make it interoperable. So the PIN pad has to be enabled in all these micro ATMs. So that is one of the new things that is happening. While RuPay card is issued to all the PMJDY customers by all the banks, as he rightly said, everybody did it in a centralized bulk processing mode. All the banks issued all the cards in a record-breaking time, and all the customers had been provided with a card. Now, where the differential will happen actually is when they start using the card and doing the actual transactions, because lot of things, the insurance, everything is connected to that particular thing. And today, most of these customers are operating out from their own agents, the BCs. So if their own handheld devices can be made PIN enabled, then these RuPay cards can seamlessly be working. Otherwise, these RuPay cards will be working only on ATMs. So that all the banks are expected to put a system in place by March or latest by April to ensure that every device is compatible to PINs also. And I think one more thing is the entire ecosystem will also have to change. There has to be the proper infrastructure, power. All these issues will also have to be addressed in the rural sector to bring in very effectively the total and inclusive growth, if we have to do that. And mobility, I do feel, is a way to go, because all the even though we had been to very many outreach programs where we see customers, though they are rural customers, when it comes to using their mobile, they are extremely savvy. So I think there is a lot that mobile banking will do. Otherwise, we do have the ultra small branches, kiosks, all these things are there. And today, every branch is also being installed with an ATM, so that within the branch itself, the customers will be able to use RuPay. But the very essence of giving the micro ATMs and all, where that they do not lose one day's salary when they come to do the banking. So that had been the primary purpose. So the interoperability will definitely save that matter. And I'm sure that we will bring, whether it is a rural customer or a urban customer, everybody will be brought at par sooner or later. Maybe it will take some time for all that. Thank you.